All right, guys. So, hello, friends. Welcome back to Surya Chess. So, today we are gonna see the opening, which is known as the Catalan opening. So, I'm learning this opening, so I thought to share with you. So, I learned the main line. So, let's quickly go back to the main line, and I hope you guys will like this new series and the way of making this video. Do let me know in the comments. So, let's move on. So let's start with the lines. So the line starts with the d4, then the knight to f6 followed by the c4, then the e6 line over there, and then pawn push over there, and this is coming over there. Bishop develops, bishop comes over there, knight develops onto the c3, castles. This is what the Catalan main Catalan the line. Let's quickly see. Then yeah, this has happened over there, and just bishop onto the g2 followed by bishop onto the e7, then knight develop onto the f3, then the castles. So from here the lines are getting changed. So from for today's video we are gonna see the dtakes on c4 line, where different variations are there, but we're gonna see this variation with the castling variation. So let's quickly go back, go to the line. So d takes on c4 followed by queen on to the c2, where it's hitting the pawn over there, and you cannot actually go over there. This line we will see later on, but for now we are hitting the pawn, and in this line the black plays the a6. The idea is to go for this if we take over here, and they are getting a tempo over there with that. So we are not going to directly take it. We are going to play the a4, which is stopping ultimately the b4, and then if you we can simply take, and you cannot take back because of hanging the rook over there. So this is what the idea behind the a4. Then bishop goes on to the e7. Idea is to come over here and take some control over there, because right now these two pieces are controlling to the e4 square. So white decides to take, this is the line, and then bishop comes over there, and here you will start gonna attack to the knight over there, but black says okay, I'm gonna attack your queen. What you are going to do? I'm still controlling the square. And white says I'm gonna come back and I'm controlling the square again. You said I'm gonna again come back. What you do? What you will do? You cannot directly go or capture over here, because you will lose over here ultimately. So you will just come back on c1, still controlling this line over there. You are not allowing for this line over there. So then black decides, black is asking what you are going to do with this bishop. You are going to come back, and white said no, I'll just take it, no worries. Bishop takes. Now this bishop is hitting this pawn, so white must control this. So this is the line of d takes which I'm showing you. And now here you have control over there, and now black decides to just go over there. That is something awaiting or something, and then white attacks the bishop, and the bishop has no choice than taking the knight over there. So takes, and now this is again attacked, but you cannot directly take it because this is hanging and you will lose that pawn. So your black decides to stop with that, and white plays the e3 and supports the and now this is the very nice structure for the white, and it's gonna be game can be continued further. So this is the line for d takes, also known as the classical line. And I hope you guys have learned something from this opening. Let me know in the comments how was the video, how was the opening. I'm gonna show you the other lines as well, but let's consider this line for this video, and I'm gonna make the another video. So let me know in the guys comments. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.